Ciao a tutti! Today we make tagliatelle con la pasta all'uovo. For the dough you need 1 3/4 cups of semolina flour, a pinch of salt, 3 fresh eggs and 2 tablespoons of a high quality olive oil. Put the eggs in the middle of the flour and whisk well with a fork. Then add the olive oil and mix everything together. Now you can start to knead your dough until it's smooth and elastic. While kneading, I dip my hands in water from time to time, so I can add a bit more of water if the dough is too dry. Put the dough in the fridge and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Now you can make the tagliatelle with your pasta machine. You can cook the pasta in boiling salted water or freeze it for another time. If you want to store the pasta in the fridge until the next day, just leave the salt in the dough away so it doesn't oxidize and turn brown. Enjoy the tagliatelle with a homemade bolognese sauce and a good glass of wine.